Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tab back with another video from the xking.com. In today's YouTube video, I want to do a review of a YouTube channel slash website I've been doing a lot of research on and listening to their videos, and they're called The Income School. The Income School, they're teaching about blogging and how to get your blog ranked, get websites, etc. So I come across them looking for information about how to improve your blog, and I came across Income School, and they have a lot of great YouTube videos and a website. They have really good information. They tell you pretty much everything. They show how much traffic they're getting. They showed you how they did the traffic, how they monetize the traffic. They tell you everything. And this video is about them so far. So before I stumbled upon them, I wasn't taking my blog very seriously. I was like hit and miss with it. I wasn't focusing it to be a real business. When I came across their YouTube channel and I watched pretty much most of the videos, I know what I need to do. I need to get down to it, and pretty much they sum it up as creating 30 to 40 nice, good content blog posts on your blog, and the traffic will, how they say, hockey stick. You get more traffic over time, but it takes a long time. So ever since I started watching their videos, I started to increase my blog posts by a lot. I've handwritten 10 long blog posts, about 2,000 words each. Some are 2,500. 10 blog posts right now. And my goal was to do at least 30, 35 blog posts and watch the hockey stick traffic hit my site. Now, the xking.com is going to be my main site. It's gonna be my main blog, my main business. So I'm gonna see where it goes. But this video is about them. They have a lot of good information. I think his name Jim and Ricky. A lot of good information, and then a lot of people don't. The genres they make, but they don't tell you the niche they're in. They don't tell you how long the blog post is gonna be. They don't tell you how many months or weeks. They tell you how many weeks it will be with an old site or a new site. These other bloggers and YouTubers say, it took a long time to rank, or they don't tell you the time span. They don't tell you need to do 30 blog posts. They'll tell you the nitty gritty, but Jim and Ricky does. So I'm gonna leave a link to their channel below the video, and so you can check them out if you're into blogging. And my blog, I'll talk about blogging, how blogging is a really cheap business. I mean, a domain name is only $10, $12 a year, and then hosting is $3, $4 a month. I mean, it's the cheapest business that you could run that gets you a lot of traffic, but you got to put in the work first. And sometimes it's hard to get your mind around putting the work first, but with Jim and Ricky, they make it a little bit easier, to make it look a bit, okay, they're saying this, let's just do what they say and let's see what happens. And they seemed, the way they are on video, they're really consistent, and they're really honest. You could tell they're not out just trying to make money. They're telling you the truth, and they give you free information. So they seem legitimate. They seem legit to me. The way they, you can tell how somebody on video or on a blog post, you can tell somebody in about the money, or they're trying to help people. And these two guys were trying to help people build a business, and they understand that they don't do link building. They don't do none of that stuff. They just create. They say this one thing, and they stay consistent with it. Create content. That's it. Just create content. They never move from that stance. They understand that people work 40 hours. They got like me, they work 40 hours a week, got a newborn at home. All I gotta do maybe is an hour a day. They preach, just do content. I'd rather people do content than do link building and post on social media and spread it around, do guest blogging. They're more consistent on their word. Just create content. And that's easier to do. So it's not easy to create content, but they make it seem like anybody can do it. Just create content. And then the best thing about it, they have these little sites where they create 30 or 20 blog posts and let it sit for so long, and they make money. They make money every month with that website while even logging in. Do I think that when they say that's true? I think it's true because they seem legitimate. They shows you proof of their websites that they're own. So, it's only so much a person can show you that it's true. They can show you the product. They can show you what it looks like. They can show the traffic, and they can show you the money. What else can they show you to prove it? So, Income Schools, I think incomeschool.com is their website. Like I said, below the video, I'll leave a link to them. But they have really encouraged me to push my business a little bit further, focus more on blogging. And I follow Income School, and I follow JohnChow.com. I like John Chow. He gives a lot of good information. So the combination of the two, they give you a lot of good info. John Chow has a lot of great information, how he runs his blog and how he monetizes the blog, and you need an email list and stuff like that. So I would definitely check those two websites out, check both of their channels out, and that's pretty much in the video. This Income Schools have really they're the number one. They're my go-to. Them and John Chow. They're the guys I follow the most. I follow John Chow's blog and his YouTube channel. I follow Income School's channel, and they have really good information. If you want to get into, and my blog is also, I'm putting a lot of good content on blogging. So if you want information about blogging and YouTubing, check out Income Schools, check out John Chow, and check my blog out as well, because I'm putting a lot of good content on YouTube and blogging onto my blog as well. I'm blogging more, and then my traffic's going up. Wow, it's just traffic going up a little, but it's working. So this is my review of the Income School. Check out their channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Helps me out a lot. Like and share the video. And comment below if you saw their videos and you saw applying what they teach. What are your results? Are you seeing increase in traffic by posting more content? Do you follow John Chow? And then what information that he told you that you started doing to your business and it works for you? Or anything like that. Anything that helps somebody with their online business, you could comment down below. All right, this is Ty for That'sKing.com. Thanks for watching.